to the Channel 99, a service where you can actually just watch the weather forecast and just blow it all away. The current date is Sunday, and here's the weather forecast. Oh god. Run for your lives! It's gonna hit us!
This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The National Weather Service and Channel 99 has issued a civil danger warning at the following states: Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. These states were issued because their wind speeds were 525,600 miles an hour. If you are living in these states, seek shelter now. If you are in your shelter, you would need to require food, water, medical items and a battery-powered radio. For further information, please stand by.